Hello guys, I am back with a new topic. In this video I will tell you how to perform arithmetic operations on two different numbers each time by getting two different numbers from the user. So first of all, I am writing the today's topic of our video, that is perform all arithmetic operations on two different numbers from user. In this program we will display almost 8 strings on the screens that will display some kind of message, that is enter first number for addition and enter second number for addition and so on. So first of all, I am initializing messages, that is enter first number for message, that is our first message in the program. And now the second message, and after that the third message for subtraction, the fourth message is also for subtraction, fifth message is for multiplication, that is enter first number for multiplication, and the sixth message will be over enter second number for multiplication. As I said, we will perform all arithmetic operations on two different numbers. First of all, we will perform addition on two numbers, then subtraction on two numbers, then multiplication on two numbers, and at the end we will perform division on two numbers. You can also change your messages with respect to your program. And now I am writing the last messages for division, that is enter first number for division and last is enter second number for division. And at the end in data segment I will initialize two variables with zero value. Zero value means here that I will get input from user during the program execution. And also, if you want this program, it will be available in the description of this video. So let's start writing our main program statements in code segment. First of all, we will get input from user by displaying message enter first number for addition, and we will perform this in our addition section. So I am displaying the message enter first number for addition and then call write string to display it on screen. And here I am displaying the second message on screen, enter second number for addition, and now taking second input from user and now performing addition of these two numbers that I have gotten from user, and after that I am displaying the result of these two numbers. And now I am going to perform the subtraction in this program. That is, I am writing the subtraction section, and after that I will perform subtraction on two numbers that I will get from user. First of all, displaying the message, that is enter first number for subtraction, and after that we will write the statements to display the message, enter second number for subtraction. You can also change your program statements with respect to your requirements. I am making this video just to make you familiar with the string display on the screen and performing arithmetic operations in assembly language. And now you can see on screen I am performing the mechanism of subtraction in assembly language, that is sub ex comma value and then call writing to display the result of subtraction on screen. And call crlf to enter the new line, that is to make our program some kind of neat. Call crlf is used to make our program execution neat. And now we will perform multiplication in our program. In multiplication we will use two registers. The first one is AX register, that is accumulator register, and the second one is ABX register, that is base register. So in multiplication section we will display first of all messages on screen, then we'll take input from user. After taking input from user we will perform the multiplication. To perform multiplication we have to move these values into one value into AX register and second value into EBX register, and then opcode mul EBX. And after that call writing to display it on screen. And now finally we are going to perform the division section, that is the division of two numbers from user. So first of all we will display the messages on screen, enter first number for division, and second message is enter second number from division and get input from user. And in division you are also now we have to make EDX register to 0, that is to store our remainder. And in division also two registers will be used. First one is accumulator register and the second one is base register. As you can see on my screen I have moved EDX register to 0. And now build our program. As you can see on screen, our build is succeeded. Now it starts its debugging, and let's check whether our program is working fine or not. It may take some time to load in your memory according to your computer speed. So as you can see on screen, I am entering values. and except division our answers almost right. So let's check where is the fault in our division section. And now after making our division section right, you can see on screen. So build it again and check whether our this division section is working fine or not. Start debugging, entering number for the commands, and you can see on my screen the division section is working fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.